In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging ads for social media in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a strong starting point, tailor it to your message, and polish it so it grabs attention in a crowded feed. First, from the Canva homepage, click on Templates. This is where Canva keeps thousands of professionally designed layouts, and it's the fastest way to jumpstart a great-looking ad. Templates are organized and pre-sized, which means you don't have to worry about dimensions or layout from scratch. Perfect when you want to move quickly, but still look polished. Next, use the search bar within Templates and type Engaging Ads Social Media. This phrase pulls up designs built with scannable headlines, bold visuals, and clear calls to action, exactly what performs well on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and more. You'll immediately see a range of styles from clean and minimalist to bright and dynamic, so you can match the vibe of your brand or campaign. Now, browse through the templates. As you scroll, think about a few essentials. Is the headline area big enough for a short, punchy message? Is there a clear focal point that will stop the scroll? Are the colors high contrast for readability on mobile? Also consider the overall tone, playful, elegant, or bold, and how it aligns with your brand personality. If a template's structure feels right, but the colors or images don't, that's fine. Those are easy to swap later. When you've found one that fits your vision, click on Customize this template. This opens the design in the editor, where every element, text, images, shapes, and backgrounds is fully editable. You now have a professional foundation that you can tailor to your message in minutes. From here, edit the template to make it yours. Replace the headline with a clear value proposition and a simple call to action. Keep text concise, short phrases read best on small screens. Update colors and fonts to match your brand for consistency, and swap in your product photos or relevant visuals. If your background and text compete, increase contrast or add a subtle overlay to keep the message readable. Adjust spacing and alignment so elements breathe and the eye flows naturally from image to headline to action. As you refine, imagine the ad on a phone screen and prioritize clarity, contrast, and a single, focused message. That's it. You've used templates, searched smart, browsed with intention, customized your pick, and edited it into an engaging social ad that's ready to turn heads.